Morning students. Today's we have seen the properties, chemical properties of alcohol, acidic nature of alcohols. So alcohol जो है actually behave as a protonated alcohol as well as this it will behave as a electrophile and nucleophile. So in chemical properties जो alcohols होगा acidic nature show करेगा. Actually it is a weaker acid than water. Then अल्कोहल जो होगा आपके पास फॉर्म करेगा conjugated acid as well as conjugated base and Lewis base. So same it is reaction involving with अल्कोहल की reactions हम लोग देखें. So alcohol reaction with Grignard reagent. So when alcohol treated with Grignard reagent, it will form the alkanes. Now I am explaining the example. Suppose you are taking ethyl alcohol, react with CS3 MgBr. This is known as methyl magnesium bromide. So the reaction is involving only this alcohol का केवल H जो है वो इन्वॉल्व होगा इस reactions में and it will form this part. Means it will form CH4 plus MgOCH3 Br. Suppose instead of methyl magnesium ब्रोमाइड प्लेस पर आप लोग इथाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड ले रहे हैं तो आपके पास इथेनॉल फॉर्म होगा CH3OH प्लस C2H5 MgBr. So it will form alkane means ethane C2H6 plus MgOCH3Br. यदि आपके पास ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट मिथाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड है तो आपके पास मीथेन फॉर्म होगा और यदि आपके पास इथाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड है तो आपके पास इथेन फॉर्म होगा. दिस इज द रिएक्शन विद ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज एस्टरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन. एस्टरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन मींस दोस रिएक्शन इन व्हिच alcohols treated with acid in the presence of few drops of concentrated acid. जहां पर अल्कोहल जो है वो आपके पास डिहाइड्रेटिंग एजेंट एज वेल एज प्रोटोनेटिंग एजेंट दोनों बिहेव करेगा इन दिस रिएक्शन प्रोसीड इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन बिकॉज वहां पर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स फॉर्म होगा जो कि आपके पास जो है इट विल फॉर्म एंड द रिएक्शन प्रोसीड इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. सो नाउ सेकंड वन इज एसिडिफिकेशन रिएक्शन. Acidification reaction when alcohols treated with acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So हमारे पास फॉर्म होगा ester and water molecule is eliminated. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल जो होगा एलिमिनेट होगा एस्टर फॉर्म होगा. इसी रिएक्शंस को हम लोग देखें. The value will put concentrated H2SO4, then you will get C2H5 COOCH3 plus H2O. This is the formation of ester. Water molecule is removed. So from here H and from here OH is removed. Then what you will have ester. This is the reversible reaction. From H, then from here is OH, then you get this compound. So यहाँ पर जो आपके पास अल्कोहल है, sorry sulfuric acid, it will behave as a protonating agent as well as dehydrating agents. Protonating agent as well as dehydrating agent, and जो reverse reaction होगी is the reverse form. And water is formed as soon as form removed, and the reaction is proceed in the forward directions. So the reactivity of alcohols जो होगी वो डिक्रीज होगी in order primary, secondary, tertiary due to the broken of OH bond. So reactivity of alcohol decreases in order primary, secondary and tertiary. Like example ले हम लोग first CH3OH, C2H5OH, then CH3 whole twice, CH2 OH, CHOH, then CH3 whole twice, COH. the reactivity of alcohol decreases in order primary, secondary, and tertiary. And for the given alcohol, the reactivity of acid also decreases in this order: formic acid, acetic acid, and so on. In this way, the reactivity of acid decreases. Reactivity of alcohol decreases in order: methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol, like that. Then for the given alcohol, the reactivity of acid also decreases in the order: formic acid, acetic acid, and this acid, like that. Now alcohol react with acid as well as acetyl chloride as well as acetic anhydrides to form esters. जब भी अल्कोहल रिएक्ट करेगा आपके पास एसिड से, एसिटाइल क्लोराइड से और एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड से, तो आपके पास हमेशा जो फॉर्म होगा वो फॉर्म होगा एस्टर्स. सो हियर दिस इज द रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स विद एसिड. नाउ रिएक्शंस ऑफ अल्कोहल विद एसिटाइल क्लोराइड एंड एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड. सो एस्टर फॉर्म होगा, एंड जब एस्टर फॉर्म होगा सो आपके पास वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स or maybe acid is formed, acetic anhydride, acid is formed. Ester also formed when the alcohol is treated with acetyl chloride and acetic anhydride in the presence of some base like pyridine and other bases. So in the presence of base, so जो by product निकलता है आपके पास, sometimes HCl, sometimes organic acid, they are neutralized by this base and reaction proceed in the forward directions. Like we'll see alcohol treated with acetyl chloride. Alcohol treated with acetyl chloride in the presence of base. So base जो होगा आपके पास यहाँ पर जो एसिड फॉर्म होगा उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा and the reaction proceed in the forward direction and you will get RC double bond OR dash, the ester. Like CS3 C double bond O Cl plus HO CS3 और C2H5 you can take. So यहाँ से जो compounds form होगा हमारे पास in the presence of base, so मिलेगा हमारे पास CS3 C double bond O O C2H5. This is the reaction of एसिटाइल क्लोराइड विद अल्कोहल. तो आपके पास जो फॉर्म होगा वो फॉर्म होगा एस्टर्स, और जो बाय प्रोडक्ट निकल रहा है वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा द बेस वी आर यूजिंग इन द रिएक्शन. नाउ व्हेन अल्कोहल treated with acetic anhydride, second is now alcohol treated with reaction with acetic anhydride. ये तो आपके पास एसिड क्लोराइड हो गया, दिस इज द एसिड क्लोराइड एंड दिस इज एसिटाइल क्लोराइड. देन ये आपके पास इथाइल अल्कोहल हो गया, देन एस्टर, this is the ester. Then when alcohol treated with acetic anhydride, acetic anhydride, alcohol treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of acid anhydride, then alcohol, acetic anhydride, then form this RCOR, it will form this part R C double bond O R dash plus whatever that RCOH, RCOH, you are right. So ester form and acid form. Now we'll put the value CS3 C double bond O CS3 C double bond O. Then here is alcohol, acetic anhydride, then ethyl alcohol. We are using a base. This this base is neutralized, the acid which are formed, amleic acid, so it will form this compound CH3 C double bond O OC2H5 plus what you will have CH3 COOH, जो एसिड फॉर्म हो रहा है वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस बेस. दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एस्टर बाय reaction of alcohols with acetic anhydride, acetyl chloride in the presence of base. This is the reaction. Now we'll see the next reaction. Now next one is reactivity involving the CO bond fission. So in such a reactions क्या है पास CO bond breakup होगा. In such a reaction CO bond is broken up. So our पास reactivity जो होगी start होगी tertiary, secondary and primary. Tertiary, secondary and primary. In such a reaction, reactivity decreases in order tertiary, secondary and primary. Broken up CO bond. So alcohol की reactivity decrease होगी in this way. Tertiary, secondary and primary in this way. So tertiary alcohol जो होगा उसके पास 3 bulky alkyl group होंगे. bulky alkyl group रहेगा. This is the secondary. And this is primary. And we know कि हमारे पास bulky alkyl group जो होंगे वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपेलिंग नेचर्स के होते हैं. So greater the number of alkyl groups, so हमारे पास CO bond strength जो होगी larger होगी and OH bond की जो strength होगी weaker होगी. जब एक की बढ़ेगी दूसरे की कम होगी तो CO bond की जो polarity होगी वो बढ़ेगी, larger होगी and it is easily to break up. और OH की small रहेगी tertiary. That's why it is difficult to break the OH group. So reactivity जो होगी OH की polarity जो होगी वो decreases larger होगी. That's why it is tertiary alcohol जो होगा वो easily breakup हो जाएगा because it contains 3 bulky alkyl group. और alkyl groups के पास जो होता है plus I effect होता है, electron repelling natures. That's why decreasing order of alcohol in this way. Now we'll see the different reactions which is used. Is formation of alkyl halides. So formation of alkyl halides, already you have done study in the 10 chapters preparation of haloalkanes. वही का है ये आपके पास. So haloalkanes means when alcohol are treated with some halogen acids. Some halogen acids are it is used with phosphorus pentachlorized, phosphorus trichlorides, thionyl the base method of preparation of alkyl halides. We are using the different types of reagent. So here is by the action of halogen acids. यदि हम अल्कोहल के ऊपर halogen acids की reactions करवाते हैं in the presence of H2SO4 or anhydrous zinc anhydrous की reactions करवाते हैं हमारे पास alkyl halides की अल्कोहल के पास. So water molecule is eliminated and you will get the alkyl halides H2SO4 and anhydrous ZnCl2. So here it will lose the water molecules and you will get alkyl halides. By losing the water molecules you will get alkyl halides. H2SO4 anhydrous ZnCl2. You get C2H5 Cl plus H2. So here this compound anhydrous HCl/ZnCl2 is known as Lucas reagent. It is known as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is important reagent which is used to distinguish between primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So alcohols are soluble in Lucas reagent but their halides are formed which are immiscible and give the turbidity. Like tertiary alcohols give the turbidity immediately, secondary alcohols give the turbidity within 5 minutes and primary alcohol do not give any turbidity with Lucas reagent. So this is the distinguish between primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So Lucas reagent is used for the distinction between primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol do not give any turbidity with Lucas reagent. Secondary alcohol will give the turbidity within 5 minutes, and tertiary alcohol immediately will give turbidity with Lucas reagent. So this is the reaction. Same it is. There also we have seen the reactions in haloalkanes कि आप जो है इथाइल ब्रोमाइड के साथ H2SO4 की रिएक्शंस करवाते हैं तो आपके पास जो फॉर्म होगा C2H5OH और HSO4 फॉर्म होगा, सेतु का काम करेगा वहां पर. डिफरेंट रिएक्शन विद हैलाइड्स आल्सो. टर्शियरी अल्कोहल आल्सो form the alkyl halides in the presence of HCl but absence of ZnCl2. Like tertiary alcohol, this is a tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol react with alkyl halides in the absence of ZnCl2. What will get? You get this compound CS3, 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 then Cl. So this one, same it is hydrogen bromide. Like hydrogen bromide also used as a setu when potassium bromide is treated with sulfuric acid. Potassium bromide treated with sulfuric acid. Here you get KHSO4 plus HBr, and this HBr treated with ethyl alcohol. HBr treated with C2H5OH, you will get alkyl halides. Here you will get alkyl ethyl halides. C2H5OH plus H2O. Same reaction you can use with potassium iodide. S3PO4 is used. Potassium iodide treated with S3PO4. So here you will get KS2PO4 plus HI. This HI treated with alcohol. You will get C2H5I plus H2. This is the reactions of formation of alkyl halides. So यहाँ पर जो आपके पास reactivity है of halogen acid is decreases in order in this way: HI, HBr, HCl, HF. क्यों होगा? Because donating the electron pair वो भी decrease होगा in this way: iodide ion, bromide ion, chloride ion, and fluoride ion. So this is the reactivity of alcohols towards the halogen acid decreases in the other: hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride. And this is the example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन का एग्जांपल है, और रिएक्टिविटी अल्कोहल जो होगी वो डिक्रीज होगी इन दिस ऑर्डर: HI, HBr, HCl. It is because tendency to donate the electron pair also decreases this order: iodide ion, bromide ion, chloride ion, fluoride ion. This is after that reaction with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, then thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride is the base method for the preparation of alkyl halide, क्योंकि वहां पर जो होगा बेटा कि सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड जो होगी एंड HCl गैस जो है एस्केप होगी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गैसेस, देन यू विल गेट द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ alkyl halides. दैट्स व्हाई जो आपके पास थायनाइल क्लोराइड की रिएक्शन है वो सबसे बेस्ट मेथड फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ alkyl halides. थैंक यू.